Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add music to PowerPoint. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up PowerPoint in your PC. You can do this by going into this search bar here and type here PowerPoint, and then you will see this software here, and you just have to click on it and your PowerPoint application will be opened up. And now let's suppose that if I wanted to add music into this slide here, I will go into this insert tab here, and in the last here you can see we have this option where it says audio. So just click on it. Now here you can see the two options here. Basically you can select an audio file from your PC, or if you have a mic you can basically record audio yourself. Okay, so I will just click on this one where it says audio on my PC. Just click on this, and now you have to basically select audio. So I will select this one here. Okay, and then you just need to click on insert here. Okay, and PowerPoint cannot insert an audio from the selected file. Verify that the necessary 64-bit codec for this MIDI format is installed and try again. Okay. So there is a problem with this file, so I will just go into this audio again, and I will go to this music again, and I will just select this one here and tap on insert here. And now here you can see that we have successfully added this audio here. Okay, so now if you play this,
Hello, future designers.
this
My name is
will
Joe. I've been a
basically
graphic designer
play
for more
the
than
song
15
for us.
years,
Okay,
so today I want to show
so
everyone
that's
what's
it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.